In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a document in Google Drive. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to Google Drive in your browser. I'm assuming you're already logged in. Once you're on the main page, look to the top left corner and click the New button. From the drop-down menu, select Google Docs. If you hover over the arrow next to it, you'll see more options. You can choose blank document or select from a template if you want a pre-designed layout like a resume or project proposal. A new tab will open with your document. At the top left, click where it says Untitled Document. Now, type the name you want for your file and press Enter. Google Drive saves everything automatically, so there's no need to manually save. If you want to move the file, click the folder icon next to the document title and choose a location in your drive. Now click into the main page and start typing your content. You can use the toolbar at the top to adjust font style, size, and alignment. If you need to change the page layout, click File, then select Page Setup. Here you can adjust orientation or margins. To share your document, click the Share button in the top right and set permissions for others. When you're done, simply close the tab. You'll find your document in the Recent section in Drive. You can also press Alt+C, then T to quickly create a document, or type docs.new into your browser and press Enter. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.